Check it out. They were just eating mulberries from under the tree. They saw me, now they're running off. You see there's berries on them trees. Okay. Well guys, figure I'd go for a little cruise here. Gloomy Sunday, but figure do something a little today. So let's go around my neighborhood and see stuff. She's looking right at me. Beautiful. Well, hello. Hello, hello. Bird up here is very mad. Both of them. And then we have, that's Butterscotch's mom. Yep, she's on the hunt. She's a little feral. Can't pick her up, can't pet her. She won't come in. Okay, let's go for a ride. Okay. This road here is called Brown's Mill Road. And in a minute you'll see why. There's a mill down here. It's on the National Historic Register. I'm just looking at history and old stuff, so as you can see here, I don't want to. This is private property, so I just want to drive through here and show you. That's an old mill. It's operated in the 1800s. Name's Brown, probably sound familiar. I don't know if it's related to the ones that have the feed mill or not. There's what's left of the mill race. But yeah, the creek used to run through here. So somewhere it goes through here, but you know, things. I found a map from 1876. It showed me property owners and landmarks from 100 and some years ago. There's Monocacy Hill over there. This road here, there's a farm over there. My friend used to live there when I was in high school, in my 20s. He lives in Washington State now. They're putting a pipeline through here. He's telling friends on Facebook that they're just cutting all the trees down. Not through here yet, but up at the other end near the highway. But yeah, this is just wanted to. Yeah, this is one of those little roads that cuts through here. And this road's like all family property. Same family name. It's funny, I was looking through this old map and some of the names are the same, which is cool, really cool. Okay, off to the next place. We're looking for I'm looking for the spot where the one-room schoolhouse used to be. Let's see if I can find that. Okay, according to my old map, in my Scooby senses, the one-room schoolhouse was up here somewhere on the left. Now this is assuming the road didn't change much. I don't know. I'm just going by, just looking for an older building. I assume the building's gone. There was a farm up in this field too, which I don't see. But yeah, somewhere in here on my left was the one-room schoolhouse for this area. Let's see here. What's that? It's a field. No, is it in here? So this is really overgrown here. Maybe there's something in there, or some remains or something, but this is all private property. I don't want to trespass, but you can see there's a lot of field, and somewhere in here was supposed to be the school that was on the map from 1876. Okay, next spot I find. And the things you get to see. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where are they? Hi. 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 How you doing, guys? Beautiful. Yep. Beautiful. Watch where you're driving around here. That's for darn sure. Beautiful out here. There's some beautiful farms over here. This is Lime Kiln Road. I'm not sure if I can find a lime kiln intact anymore. There were a few when I was a kid. So I'm driving through here, see if I can find one. I don't think there's any left. I think all the rocks have been picked through. But we'll go along here and see. Alrighty. See if I can remember. There was one up here near Holy Line Road here. I think I'm even on the right path. Alrighty, if I find something, I'll let you know. It's gorgeous out here. I haven't found anything except for just very, very old stone houses. Just farm after farm after farm. Yep, little back roads like this, twisty turnies. That's a landfill up there. Yep. Alrighty. Let's see here. Yep. I got some cool stuff to show you guys. I've been back here in a long time. Just always enjoyed driving around back here. Pretty neat. If you want to know where I'm at, I'm in the Ole Valley. Okay. Here's a shot of this village here. There's another mill down here. Check out these barns and these houses. That's the Manatoni Creek there. Manatoni. It's pretty high. Not flood stage, but higher than usual. Okay, there's a covered bridge up here. Lots of farmhouses. There's another old mill up here. There's an old building here. I'm trying to drive and give you guys a good view at the same time. Hopefully I'm doing a good job. Okay, there's the bridge. There's the bridge. Zoom out. And there's the mill. There's the mill right in front of us. Farmhouse over here. There's a house here. You can see Pennsylvania roads are a little bit windy. Okay, here you go. Isn't that neat? It's freaking cold today, so I'm not getting out of the car. It's in the 50s. Alrighty. Somebody getting probably graduation pictures there. Alrighty, well, I'm going to swing around and go over the other bridge. See you in a little bit. Okay. Block there. Oh, 73 for a little bit there, maybe a half a mile. And I'm coming back over the creek on the Pleasantville Bridge. The other bridge I was on was the Spangsville Bridge. Yep. Alrighty, this one's been rebuilt recently. You see they got a big steel bar there because, I don't know, steel or is it wood? I don't know. People keep... It's been wrecked a few times. People are idiots. There you can go. There you see. See if I can get a shot of this here. Maybe you guys can read that. Alrighty. I got a car coming the other way here, so... Let's see. Very busy bridge. Being made of wood. Very, very busy. And we're back on the road that I turned off of to, we were just over there. In that area. Alrighty. Back in the Ole Valley here. So, let's see. It's Birdsboro, 8 miles. Just saw that sign. Probably missed it. It's one of those old concrete posts. Alrighty. See, this is beautiful driving out here. Just beautiful. Let's see what I see next. It's like out of a postcard, ain't it? Let's go this way. Get my gas here when I was a teenager. That's one of the one-room schoolhouses. I'm gonna have to make a video of them all on its own as I discover them. There's a lot of them around here. You know, kids didn't walk miles and miles, probably 2 miles tops. So one more stop here, and then I'm headed home. As you can see, it's raining. Okie dokie, see you there. Okay. You guys read the sign. Okay. Let's see, we're near the homestead. Make sure we're all right here. And we're gonna go across this. There's a bridge. There's a road on this. There's a fork in the road on the bridge. This bridge used to be a lot narrower here. My grandmother lost her door handles on her 66 Fairlane. Yeah, up here is the Exeter Friends Meeting House. I'll stop. I'll make a video of that sometime when it's not raining and cold. Up here it is. Okay. Man, everything's overgrown. Alright, we're coming up on it. There you go. Established 1737. These are busy roads, so I'm trying to be careful. There you go. Alrighty. Okie dokie, guys. Looks like I'm headed back home. Get out of this rain. Make something to eat. So you have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this ride along. If you like this type of video, I'll make more. Talk to you later. Take care.